Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can add photo to a contact on Motorola Moto G04 and G04s. So all we need to do is first open the phone app, then we need to choose the contact to which we want to add the photo. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one. And now we need to tap this pen icon over here in the top right corner. And here we have the option to add picture. So let's tap this button. Now we can choose the picture. Let's say I'm gonna choose from gallery. And over here, let's pick up the camera and let's say I want to choose this one. Now we can of course crop and rotate. So over here we can rotate the picture by pressing this icon over here. We can even zoom in if we want to and zoom out. And once we are done with adjusting the picture, then we can tap choose over here. And there we go. Now all you need to do is press save in the top right corner. And there we go. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel and see you in my next videos. Bye.